Civil Service Exam Reviewer, correct usage. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. If she blank earlier, she wouldn't have missed the meeting. A arrive, B had arrived, C arrives, D arrived. The correct answer is letter B had arrived. Third conditional, if plus past perfect, would have plus verb. Everyone expected that the proposal blank approved quickly. A is, B was, C, B, D were. The correct answer is letter C, B. After verbs like expect in formal contexts, subjunctive uses the base form be. The consultant suggested that the team blank the calculations twice. A check, B checks, C checked, D checking. The correct answer is letter A, check. After suggested that use subjunctive base verb. Only by reviewing the files carefully blank the errors discovered. A, were, B, was, C, are, D, is. The correct answer is letter A, were. Inversion after only by plural subject errors were. She prefers blank on her own rather than asking for help. A, to work, B, work, C, working, D, worked. The correct answer is letter C, working. Prefer plus verbing when emphasizing a general habit. Neither the director nor the assistants blank available to comment. A, was, B, were, C, is, D, be. The correct answer is letter B, were. Verb agrees with nearest subject, assistants are plural. The auditor insisted that all discrepancies blank immediately. A, resolve, B, resolves, C, be resolved, D, resolved. The correct answer is letter C, be resolved. After insist that use subjunctive, be plus past participle. The results of the survey, together with the comments, blank analyzed before the report is finalized. A, was, B, were, C, is, D, be. The correct answer is letter B, were. Results plus comments equals plural subject, were. He is one of the few employees who blank consistently on time. A, arrive, B, arrives, C, arriving, D, arrived. The correct answer is letter A, arrive. Relative clause refers to plural employees. Base form arrive. Had the team blanked the issues earlier, the project would have been completed on schedule. A, address, B, addressed, C, addresses, D, addressing. The correct answer is letter B, addressed. Past perfect in third conditional, had plus past participle. What is your score?